Okay, our last little bit is basically how to add a little button on to display some extra information. So if you've gone and made your own procedures or subroutines, you might want to add something on. So I'm just going to add a button in here. Escape because I don't want to have that. So I've gone and implemented my max score option. Just going to have that in there. Obviously I want to change this name. I haven't done it for many of the others, but it's a really good idea. So max score button, my event, code builder. Brings up the code builder, and I've got my option. The reason why I want to give them a name. It's a lot easier to tell which one it actually relates to when it's max score button rather than command 8. Obviously, things people always forget to do, but rename them as you do it. Okay, so now I want to work out which one I want to run. If I look at my scores module, I basically have find max score, which is the one that I want to run. So I'm going to go back to that form, add score form. Actually, no, it was on our main form. So back in here. All I want is just a message box that goes and run this. Remember, this is a function that returns a value. So if this works correctly, what we should get is the score being recorded and displayed in a message box. Obviously, it's not going to have any other details, but we're going to save that and run it. Close this off, load up our load form, and click on the find max score. Oh, something has gone wrong there. So let's go and have. Oh, there is one little thing which is actually missing from this function, which was actually returning the value. So it actually had something to save. So obviously, if you looked at video 3, this is actually missing off it. So it's going to not actually work for you. You need to make sure you actually include this little bit into it. Okay, so if we go back and have a look, go back to this, close it, rerun it. Find a max score. We've got our max score being displayed nicely. Okay, we got it for working in the end.